Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use the new iOS 18 Passwords app for security. Now, the iOS 18 Passwords app is a dedicated hub for securing your digital account. Access it using Face ID to secure, manage, and audit your credentials. Here's how you can use its core security features. First off, the app constantly runs background audits on your logins to identify risks. So you can see if there is like a exclamation point next to your supposed account on platform or app, you gotta go ahead here in a prompt under security that you need to change your password here, right? So this password is the same as other platforms, whatever, then you should change your password. This is what the prompt tells you, right? So all you gotta do is just hit change password and follow the on-screen prompts to update insecure passwords immediately. Secondly, you can ditch vulnerable SMS codes and extra authentication apps by generating verification codes directly within the Passwords app, if allowed. Select an account inside the app and tap Setup Verification Code. You're gonna find it somewhere here, right? And you can scan basically the site's QR code or paste the setup key. The app will generate rotating 6-digit codes every 30 seconds and suggested right above your keyboard during login, right? Thirdly, passkeys is better than passwords because passkeys use cryptographic hardware tokens backed by Face ID, making them virtually impossible to phish. So go to your device's autofill and password settings and toggle on Allow Automatic Passkey Upgrades. When a website supports it, you can upgrade your account to a passkey for the highest level of security. You may have seen, like, whenever you go to a platform and sign up for a new account, they will suggest that you add this complicated password, often like A and Z, like weird, basically signals and symbols or whatever. So this is exactly how you can secure your account and make it impossible to hack, right? So if you have a family accounts or shared subscriptions, you can securely share specific passwords without sending them in plain text, right? So make sure to tap a new group, name it, and add trusted contacts via iMessage. Select and move only the specific passwords you want the group to access. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.